Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how much I make on YouTube as a very tiny YouTuber. I just recently hit 2,000 subscribers here on YouTube, which is pretty small, but for me it's kind of a big deal because, you know, it did take me a while to get here. If you are also a small YouTuber, you can probably relate to the struggle. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at my analytics.
Okay guys, so let's get started with my analytics dashboard. So as you can probably tell, I just hit 2,000 subscribers and they send you this little thingy. And I also got an email congratulating me on hitting 2,000 subscribers. And again, this is definitely not like a huge deal, but it did take me like close to 2 years just to hit the 1,000 subscribers. And it only took me about like 7 months to get to 2,000. So this is kind of exciting and shows, you know, how big of a difference it makes, like being consistent on YouTube and investing in the quality of your videos. So as of right now, about 2,014 subscribers, and so far this month, you know, I had close to 14,000 views, watch time, and then this is my estimated revenue for the last 28 days. So I know that there's a lot you can kind of look at when it comes to analytics, but I know the thing that you're probably most curious about is how much money I'm currently making as a small YouTuber. So let's do that. Okay, so we're going to start up here. So this is for the last 28 days. And then my estimated revenue is about $182.70. And then this is my average RPM, which is actually, I think it's because I still get a lot of views from like my old lifestyle videos, but my average RPM on like my recent personal finance videos has definitely been much higher than that. And this is kind of like my average playback CPM. And if we're looking at monthly revenue, so you can probably tell it has been going up consistently, not by like a whole lot, but it has been going up consistently. So in March I made $113, April about $135, then May just like slightly more, $139. June has been a big jump, $167, July $178, you know, right under $180, and then August, so far I'm filming this on August 14th, so far it's $77.09. Hopefully it will be a little bit more, you know, if you guys can just help me out by hitting the like button and, you know, commenting, because that definitely helps me to get more engagement and more views.
And this is also a very friendly reminder that if you enjoy videos about side hustles, passive income, and productivity, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Or if you just enjoyed this one video, please hit that like button because, as you know, it really helps small YouTubers like myself. So yeah, go ahead and smash that like button.
And if we're looking at, you know, since the beginning of time, I've made close to $1,000 on YouTube, which is really awesome. And I got monetized like less than 8 months ago or so. Again, you know, it's not like a ton of money every month, but you know, if you're thinking about this as $1,000 that I've earned for doing the things that I would probably be doing for free anyway. So this is pretty exciting for me.
So if you want to know my full story of how long it took me to get monetized, I'm going to include the 2 videos that I filmed down below, kind of explain my journey, and then also one of them goes over my very first paycheck on YouTube and how much I ended up making. So I'll include them down below and then also up in these corners. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. And again, this dashboard is just the YouTube AdSense money that I made. That doesn't include my affiliate income or even brand deal income. And yes, I've already been getting brand deals. I got my first brand deal when I was only at 1,500 subscribers. So if you want to know how I was able to get, you know, brand sponsorships with such a small channel, please let me know in the comments down below because I would love to, you know, show everyone how you can diversify your income regardless of the number of your followers. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. If you're wondering how I feel about this, I definitely know that there's a lot more room to grow, but honestly, I am pretty excited about this. This is more money that I thought I would be making with, you know, just 2,000 subscribers. And I also just want to thank everyone who has been supporting me on this journey so far. All of your likes, comments, and words of encouragement have definitely been helping me out a lot. And honestly, this is the first year where I'm actually taking my channel very seriously and staying consistent with my upload schedule, and I'm definitely seeing the difference. So if you're currently, you know, looking to grow on YouTube, or if you're having a hard time, just stay consistent and produce quality content, and you know, eventually you're gonna start seeing results. And obviously that's not like yet a ton of money, definitely not enough for me to live off of just my AdSense, especially considering I live in the New York City area and it is very expensive to live here. However, it is one of my many streams of income. It is starting to pay for things like my phone bill and my Wi-Fi bill, which is awesome. So, you know, when you think of it from that perspective, when you kind of starting to realize that it's paying for little things in your life that you're going to be paying for anyway, that definitely, you know, gives me a lot of encouragement personally. And if you're curious about what I actually do for a living as my full-time job and, you know, as my side business, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's at Christina_NGM. It is my personal account. I don't post a lot of personal finance or side hustle content there. I more so show people what having multiple streams of income allows me to do with my life. So if you're curious, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Again, if you're a small YouTuber, continue putting in the work. I can personally tell it took a lot of work for me to even be making, you know, this little bit of money every month, but I feel like it's definitely worth it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!